It's Tuesday, September 30th. In the headlines, People's National Party unveils new shadow cabinet. Jamaica eyes game-changing HIV treatment pilot program. We also have the weekly Living Healthy report. This week, we focus on men and suicide. In business news, new adult-only, all-inclusive set to open. Regionally, in Trinidad and Tobago, Ignite fuels regional startup growth. And in sports, Nepal seals historic T20 International Series win against West Indies. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.